अस्सलामुअलैकुम स्टूडेंट्स। उम्मीद है आप सब खैरियत से होंगे। चलते हैं आज अपने टॉपिक की तरफ। आज का हमारा टॉपिक है वो है साइनोबैक्टीरिया। साइनोबैक्टीरिया ओल्ड नेम वाज माइकोफाइटा मैक्सा स्लाइम फाइटोन प्लांट। न्यू नेम इज साइनोफाइटा काइनोस ब्लू फाइटा plants. Class Cyanophyceae. Kingdom Monera. Considered near to algae. Chlorophyll A. Liberation of oxygen. What is cyanobacteria? Commonly known as blue-green algae. Autotrophic photosynthetic, contain chlorophyll A, hycocyanin blue and hycoerythrin red. They live in aquatic environments including oceans, ponds, lakes, tides, flats, and moist soil. They exist mostly as colonies and filaments and sometimes as single cells. Terrestrial sp. From layers on moist, shaded bare rocks or soil. Endophytes live in cavities of other plants, nostoc in thallus of Anthroceros, algal patterns of Lycons. Few forms are marine, found in hot water streams also. Some filaments from can move, for example, filaments forms such as Oscillatoria sp. and nostoc sp. rotate in screw-like manner, produce gelatinous capsules which are often lighter than water and therefore helps keep the algae up near the surface of water. Reproduction in by fission, prokaryotic cell lack chlorophyll B. The photosynthetic product is stored in their own form of starch, which is similar to animal glycogen. Some filaments forms of cyanobacteria. Unicellular or aggregate colony filaments form. Forms of cyanobacteria. Unicellular or aggregate glycosypa sp. Let us see diagram of forms of cyanobacteria. 10 mu cluny microcyst sp. Microcyst. This is a diagram of microcyst. This is a nucleotide shape form. Filaments form. Unbranched Anabina sp. Heterocyst. The whole shape is show heterocyst and the full shape nucleotide shape spores show achenes. Filaments form branched. First of all branched, second is unbranched. Strigonema sp. This is rounded shape. Cell structure of cyanobacteria. The cell structure is very primitive. Each cell is composed of two parts, cell wall protoplasm. The cell wall is composed of two layers, the inner layer of which is thin and firm composed of peptide glycan. The outer layer of wall is thicker and glycaneous, known as a sheet and mainly constituent of plastic compounds. Structure of cyanobacteria. This is first first of cell wall, second is chromoplast, center body. Center body is rounded shape. Let you see the protoplasm consists of two parts. Peripheral pigments colored region surrounding a colorless central region. It contains the blue pigments phycocyanin together with chlorophyll and known as chromoplasm. The colorless inner region, central body, contains several chromatin granules DNA which represent a primitive type of nucleus that lacks nuclear membrane and nucleic. This is diagram cyanobacterial cell. You see the diagram of cyanobacterial cell. This is a cyanobacterial cell. First of all, first layer is cell wall, second cytoplasm. Cytoplasm, the inner part of the cytoplasm is called cytosol. You see the center of the DNA, photosynthetic membrane, plasma membrane. Outer layer is from plasma membrane and inner layer is cell wall. Multinucleus sheet. This is you see this sheet and this is the multinucleus sheet. and the topic is ant. Okay.